Man, me see some man a brace pan on internet and them thing there and not come to me, but why me kiss a girl with no teeth? A tan there. You ask me again why me kiss candy. Who that? Ready? That you ask me? Man feel afraid and self-confident in themselves, you see me? I put confidence in her, that's why. Yeah, put confidence in her. After that, when she say the status change and I'll ever change, you see me? But she don't understand. You see me? She don't understand nothing about this blood. Cause she short, she don't have no love and nobody will take care of her. I'll be a throw them throw and fling stone for her, you know. Yeah, me's a lad enough for true, you know. Don't take it for joke. But I go around her and see it. I see how people deal with her. Them show things for her, them always box her up, beat her up, and them deal her way better. I'm going to say, so, how them deal this so very, but to all our people them accept her, you see me? So me just change the whole status, because my thing is normal, you know. You see me? So I just change the whole status. Well, but people pray me and them thing there. People already do that, clock, you know, you love the mix up them, you're over and over, yeah, you know it. I can't do an ugly girl, I just teach you her. She want teeth and take care right, gone. And girl love man like me, you know. Yeah. Girl love man like me. Means a you to that heart. You have some man not none. You see me? For real, Renee, just looking at it, man. I say